Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi, and if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're doing another episode of Kitchen Treks, where I try to make a recipe that I've never made before from a country, anywhere in the world. My goal is to try to make a recipe from as many countries as possible because I want to learn more about their culture and what food they're known for. And I started this because obviously we can't travel, so this is my way of traveling through my taste buds. I have a kitchen tracker down below, but this is my 19th country, and today we are doing France. And we're making madeleines. Madeleines are basically they're like sponge cakes, but in cookie form. And they're super easy to make, and I'm making them with a twist. So I'm making lavender white chocolate madeleines. Let's get started. So for the first step, we are actually going to prepare our pan. And yes, you really have to go buy a Madeleine pan for this recipe, but I don't think you'll regret it because it's going to be so delicious. You're going to want to make it multiple times, but I'll link the pan that I got down below. Also, the first time I bought this pan, I accidentally bought mini Madeleines. So one day I'm going to make, I don't think I'm gonna make mini madeleines because I'll just eat all of them, because they're small, I'll just eat them so fast. But these could be really great chocolate molds. Ideas are poppin'. It's also 3 a.m. so if I'm really weird in this video, I apologize. But my brain, I don't know what's gonna happen in this video. So in order to prepare the pan, you're going to want to take 1 tablespoon of butter, melt it completely like this, and then we're going to take our flour and add in 1.5 teaspoons. I'm really trying to be quiet because everyone in my house is sleeping, but that's not quiet. And I'm simply just gonna mix this up to create a paste. Ooh, it's so easy to mix. Once you get a paste-like consistency, you want to go ahead and grab a pastry brush or a silicone brush and just start brushing down the inside of your madeleine molds. This is gonna help it brown, and also it's gonna help it not stick. But also, I'm pretty sure the one that I got is non-stick, but just in case. Imagine going through all of this work, even though it's not that much work at all. But imagine going through all of this work at 3 a.m., which I really hope you're not making this at 3 a.m. I hope you're doing it at a normal human time. But then you take it out of the oven and it's stuck. I'm gonna try it. Alright, it doesn't taste good because there's no sugar. So all I'm going to do now is place this to the side while I make the batter. I had no idea how to make madeleines, so did a lot of research. And you can make some with a hump on the back, or you can make some with a slight hump, but traditionally they have a hump, but this recipe doesn't have a large one. I feel like I'm talking about not madeleines right now, but I am. Yeah, this recipe is more about the clam shell on the back, the shell design that the madeleines are known for. So I'm excited, but yeah, recipe inspo down below. So just get a large bowl and then 2 eggs. It's better if your eggs are at room temperature. Mine aren't. You're also gonna need 1/2 cup of sugar. This is a 1 cup measuring cup, but I just eyeballed 1/2 cup. I know with baking you need precision, but it's not this early in the morning, you don't. Followed by 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. But basically I'm using dark brown. It's just gonna make my madeleines a little bit darker, slightly darker. Then we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Okay, 3 tablespoons. And last but not least, salt. Now we mix it. Scratch that. Before we mix this, we want to go ahead and melt 10 tablespoons of butter. You know what's really sad? That's 2. I'm gonna like lose count if I talk. Why did I count this? It counts for you. Butter has been melted. I'm gonna set this to the side to cool because we don't want to add this to the eggs right now, or else like, I don't know that they'll cook, but it will just like disrupt the temperature of this recipe. So we can go ahead and mix this now. You can use a stand mixer, but stand mixers are loud, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. If I do this correctly, I should only have to do it for 30 seconds. Here we have it. Now it's time to add in our flour, and we're gonna sift it in. I don't really have a sifter, so I'm just gonna use, you'll see. Okay, also before you start working with flour, go ahead and preheat your oven. I forgot the word preheat. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And I think that's 190 Celsius. Also, is this a sifter? Did I find a sifter? If this isn't a sifter, don't tell me. It'll ruin my day. You're gonna need 1 1/4 cups of flour. So I have 1 cup so far. And all I'm gonna do is add in a little bit of it at a time because, okay, wait, this is so a sifter. Oh my God, this is so fun. It's like snowing. Oh, I should be mixing. Ooh. Ooh, the oven's ready. Okay, since I've added all of my flour in, I am done with the whisk. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and add in my zest. I'm doing lemon because lemon pairs well with lavender. Just kidding, someone used my lemon. So no zest for me, but like I said, you can add whatever zest you want. But now I'm gonna go ahead and add my melted butter from the sides. We want to fold this into the batter. If I'm not folding this correctly, I'm sorry, but at least I'm doing like the under and over thing. Oh my God, how long is this gonna take? This is the last step. I don't think my left hand knows how to fold. Okay, this is perfect. I just have like a random spoon, doesn't have to be special, and I'm filling up this clamshell 3/4 of the way. So you want to leave space for the Madeleine to like rise or like puff up or however you want to call it. I just want the batter to like flatten out, basically. We're gonna put this in the oven for 9 minutes. I'm really good. Ooh. Wait, I am so proud of these. And look, am I gonna like burn myself? Probably. Oh, that's really hot. But look, it's not stuck at all. Here they are. They're so beautiful. Like I said, they're a bit darker in color because I used dark brown sugar. Look at the clam shape on this. It's perfect. And look at this little baby hump. So if you want to stop here, go ahead and stop here and just like sprinkle these with some powdered sugar. Or I'm gonna make a white chocolate lavender topping. It's time to make the white chocolate. I have a bowl that I just cleaned. I'm gonna take about 1/2 cup of white chocolate and just microwave it 30 seconds at a time until I have like a liquid. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, it only took a minute in the microwave. Yo. But yeah, so we currently have the white chocolate to the consistency that we want. but it is lavender white chocolate. I didn't know that you could go to the grocery store and just buy lavender. So I'm just gonna take, I guess this is like a teaspoon and a half of lavender, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it into my white chocolate. I am gonna go ahead and start dipping my Madeleines. And I wanna dip them on like the wider side on an angle. Yes. Take like 2 or 3 lavender petals and let it fall. The white chocolate still has to set at this point for around 30 minutes in the fridge, but then it's done, and this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around for my nighttime baking adventure. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.